So, dito na tayo. Back na tayo. Dito na tayo sa room. As you can see, ang ganda ng room. You feel so comfortable dito sa room. Yeah, very beautiful. Look, meron siyang chair. And then, ayan, gulo na. Kasi nakahiga na kami dyan. Nagulo na siya. Ayan. So beautiful po. Meron siyang television. Ayan, may television. There. And then, my mirror! Ayan, may mirror. Hindi kita yung aking face. Ayan, guys. Tadaan! Uy, sexy. Meron ditong secret, lagayan nyo ng important things like money or jewelry. Yeah. And then, meron ditong television. Yan, guys.